My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Suzuki Vitara. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 16,000 miles with a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. And on the right, we have cruise control. On our screen, we can access radio, smartphone integration, navigation and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.